There are a few areas in the kitchen where I have to clean up some of the thin set that got left behind after using the grinding machine or the floor surfacer. Right around this edge here, I'll need to use a chisel. You can see that there's a little bit of a lip there. So I'll clean that up real quick. Oh, hi Hunter. What you up to? And then over here, same deal. There's just a little bit of thin set left. So I'll knock that out with the chisel and hammer, and then I can finish laying the Schluter in the kitchen. What I plan to do in here once I have the Schluter laid down is to measure a line from one of the continuous lines of tile. It's probably going to be this line. And I'm going to measure a distance through the kitchen dining room entryway that I just walked through, as well as measure that same distance from that same line through this hallway. And that'll give me a mark on the floor in here. That's the same distance from that line. Then I plan to snap a chalk line, and from there I will probably dry fit tiles through both of the hallways to make sure that everything lines up and the tiles will all fit where they're supposed to once we get to that. By doing that, I can make sure that I end up with a straight line in this section all the way across the whole living room kitchen area, and that all the tiles will fit together in the kitchen without any weird jinks in the lines or anything like that. So we'll get to that hopefully pretty soon, but I have to finish laying the Schluter before I do that. Well, I apparently forgot to start the video, but I just finished knocking up all this thin set from the old tiles with the hand chisel. Thanks, Hunter. With the hand chisel. He doesn't like the noise. It's a pretty sharp noise, but he also won't leave me, so he paces a little bit when he's nervous. The last thing I need to do here before I start is use my multi-tool to trim the bottom edges of the door trim here so that the tile will fit underneath the door trim when I set it. And for that, I'm going to use this tool. And I will put the dog in a different room because this is much louder and he still won't leave. And I don't want to hurt his ears. I have a couple of scrap tile pieces here that I'm going to use as a thickness gauge, since I already know that works really well. And I'm gonna set the multi-tool on top of that to trim the door trim pieces. Forgot one last thing before I start laying this Schluter. I want to see if I can check the bottom of this dishwasher to see if it's possible to adjust the height of the legs. There's not enough room between the top of the dishwasher right now and the bottom of the countertop for me to lay tile underneath the dishwasher, right? And it was that way with the old tile as well. I want to see if I can adjust the height of the dishwasher by hopefully some adjustable feet so that I can pull the dishwasher out, put tile under there, and then adjust the the height so that it fits under the dishwasher. So I'm gonna pull the dishwasher out real quick and see if I can do that.
What you doing?
Well, I'm gonna unplug the dishwasher.
Oh,
Oh, that's the wrong one.
it's just coming to get some water.
Okay. There we go.
Oh, it's videotaping.
It sure is.
I love you.
Love you too. The feet are adjustable, which is good. So that means that I can pull this whole dishwasher out, tile in that spot so that it's completely finished and I never have to worry about it again, and then put the dishwasher back. Start one job and find another one that you gotta do. So I pulled out the dishwasher. Here's what I found underneath it. So I'll clean that up with the shop vac. What I also found, and I kind of knew this already, but I didn't realize how bad it was. This is the fascia of the cabinet, and it's just kind of destroyed. Somebody, previous owner, put this screw in here to try and hold it together, and it just split this wood. This whole cabinet is probably going to need to be replaced. It's got some water damage down here on the bottom. So, looks like I'll be replacing a kitchen cabinet that the sink is in. All right, now that the prep work is done, I can clean up real quick and then start laying more Schluter.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you would like to support us, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.